Okay guys, so this video is going to show you the questions that are talking about division involving 0. So for these first two questions, it says evaluate each expression below. So that just means to solve. So before we get into that, there's a couple of things I need you to know. Okay, so it talks about this thing called undefined. Undefined means that what you're trying to do is basically impossible. Okay, so when something is undefined, you're having a number and you are trying to divide it into 0. So that can look like this, or it can look like this. So the number and then divide by 0. Okay, which in this case is both of these questions. So shorthand of this is that both of these, the answer to both of these questions is undefined, but I'm going to explain that in a second. So if I start with this first question where it says 6 divided by 0, if I had 6 coins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I said I want to put each of those equally into groups of 0, I could not put 6 of anything into a group of nothing. So this is undefined, which practically means that this is impossible. Now, if I flipped it and I said 0 divided by 6, if I have a group of nothing, so let's say this is my box, and my box has nothing in it, and I want to put this into 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of something, how many would be in that group? And you would say, well, nothing would be in that group. So this answer, 0 divided by 6, equals 0. Okay, and the same with this. If I have 5 divided, not 5 divided by a number. If I flipped it and I put 0 over 5, it would be the same thing. So that would also equal 0. So one of the ways that I like to remember this is that 0 likes to be first. So in this instance, 0 is last and not first. So if it was in the first position, that would make this right here and right there. So if you flip this and it's 0 likes to be first, 0 would be in this first position on the top of the fraction or the first number there. If not, it is undefined. All right, so hopefully that this is helpful. If you need more help or another example, let me know.